In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find contacts on Gmail. So I'm here on my computer with Gmail open in my browser, and the first thing I'm going to do is move my mouse to the top right corner of the screen. Up here I see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small 9-dot grid. I click on that icon and a panel opens showing the different Google apps connected to my account. From this list of apps, I look for the one labeled Contacts and click on it. As soon as I click Contacts, a new page opens where all the saved contacts connected to my Gmail account are displayed. Now I can see the list of email contacts stored in the account. If I want to quickly find a specific person, I move my mouse to the search bar at the top of the page. In the search bar, I type the name or email address of the person I'm looking for. As I type, Google Contacts filters the list and shows matching results. Once I find the contact I want, I click on the contact's name to view their details. From here, I can see their email address and other saved information. If I want to send them an email right away, I simply click the email icon next to their contact information. Gmail will open a new compose window so I can start writing the message. And that's it. I opened Gmail, clicked the 9-dot Google Apps icon, selected contacts, searched for a name or email address, and opened the contact to send an email. This is how you quickly find contacts in Gmail.